Your library has tests. Now meet the belt of tools around any code you write. 5 commands that catch mistakes before they run, keep your files tidy, explain themselves, and check the whole installation. This is the compiler as a colleague. Here's a deploy script with a typo in it, name instead of name. Don't run it, check it. Kaappi check compiles and analyzes, but never executes. And there's the warning. Unknown variable name, line 2. In CI, add deny warnings, and that same warning fails the build, exit code 1. Every Kaappi diagnostic has a code, and the binary explains its own codes. Offline, no doc site required. Ask about KP 4001, and you even get the reasoning. R7RS allows forward references at the top level, so this is a warning, never an error. Rejecting it would break the standard. Check for a typo, a missing import, or a missing define. Fix the typo, check again, no issue found. That round trip, warning to explanation to clean check, never executed a single line of the program. Formatting. 1 canonical style, no configuration file, no debate. FMT -- check names, any file that isn't canonical, and exits 1. That's the CI half. Plain FMT rewrites the file in place. Compact, canonical. And now check has nothing left to say. When something's weird, wrong binary on path, a library that won't load, Kaappi Doctor examines the whole installation. The binary and where it lives, the library search paths, thottam and its lock file, the native backend. It actually links a test program to prove the toolchain works, the REPL, and every native extension. 19 checks on this machine, all green. And when one fails, it prints the fix right next to the failure. Last one, the bytecode cache, with the honest numbers. Clear it, then run a script with timings on. You get the cost of every pipeline stage and a cache miss. Kaappi wrote the compiled bytecode. Run it again. Look at the timings line. The compile stages are gone. Just execute, straight from the cache. And cache status shows exactly what's stored. One honest caveat, straight from the tool. Today, the cache covers programs without imports. The moment you import a library, even a built-in one, Kaappi says so. Not cached, imports. When a future release lifts that, this same timings line is where you'll see it. That's the belt. Check before you run. Explain when you wonder. FMT to end the style debates. Doctor when the machine misbehaves. And a cache that shows its work. Next episode, we move inside the REPL. Describe, apropos, time, and friends. The REPL as an IDE. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.